Water drips from a faucet at a rate of 41 drops per minute. Assuming there are 15,000 drops in a gallon, how many minutes would it take for the dripping faucet to fill a 1-gallon bucket? Express your answer to the correct number of significant figures. Okay, so we're going to save the significant figures for last. And we're going to go ahead and take a look at finding the number of minutes it would take if we have 15,000 drops in a gallon, and it takes 41 drops per minute. And let's remind ourselves of what we're looking for. How many minutes would it take for the dripping faucet to fill the bucket? So I want minutes. So my drops, the way I've set it up, they have canceled. I have minutes is under 2 divisor lines. When that happens, the minutes comes back to the top. Okay? So 15,000, I'm going to take my calculator out now. I'm going to enter 15,000, hit the divide button. 41 equals, and I get 365.85, so I'm going to call that 0.9 minutes that it's going to take. All right, so now let's take a look. We've got to get the correct number of significant figures, though. And this one's not a multiple choice, so we want to pay real close attention and make sure that we get this right. Okay, I'm looking at the 41. How many significant digits are in 41? 2. And now I'm looking at the 15,000. Okay, these zeros are not between two non-zero digits. They're at the end. So they are not significant, okay? So there are only 2 significant numbers in the 15,000. That's the 1 and the 5. So since each of these had 2, my answer can only be expressed in 2 significant digits. Okay? So this one is not significant, the 5 is not, and neither is the 9. All right, so I'm going to take this 36 and I'm going to look at that 5 and ask myself, is it 5 or greater? Because if it is, I need to go up. And it is number 5, so I need to go up. Now we don't want to lose 365. We've still got to keep that decimal there, okay? Even if we show it or even if we don't, we've still got to keep a 0 there. That 0 is not significant though, so it's okay. We still have 2 significant digits in this. So 370 minutes is our answer to the correct number of significant digits. And that's it.